So good afternoon, dear students. We'll continue with trigonometry. So last week I told you that look at that video. I sent it at the end in Saturday probably. So in that video I have discussed all the compound angle, multiple angle and some multiple also. Fine. So till sine 2a, cos 2a, tan 3a, sine a plus b into sine a minus b, and then sine 18 degree, cos 36 degree values. Fine. So based on this, we will have a couple of problems right now. So that video is very important to go through, because if you go through those results, then you will understand the problems of these compound angle and multiple angle based problems. Fine. So we will start with a couple of problems. Let's say we have a one problem, sine 76 into cos 16 minus cos 76 into sine 16 degree. Fine. Look at this. You don't know 76 and 16 degree, correct? Because we know those formal values are 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 60 degree. So these results you can solve by the formula only. We have discussed sine A minus B, which is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Fine. This result, I told you those four result is very important, plus wala or minus wala भी, ठीक है? So now look at this, if A is 76 and B is 16 degree, so this entire result is shrink into, in this form, 76 minus 16, because A is 76 and B is 16. Look at this formula, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Fine, so this expression now becomes sine 76 minus 16 degree, and this is nothing but sine 60 degree, and this all of you know, root 3 by 2. So the answer of this problem is root 3 by 2, correct? So if you use the formula sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, you will get such type of problem. Fine, dear? So next situation we will move. Let's say I have sine 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. Fine, we want a value of this. What is the, means options are sin x, cos x, tan x and all. ठीक है? तो हमें पता है dear sin 2x का formula, which is 2 sin x cos x. How it came, that I have discussed in that video. Sin a plus b में जो sin a cos b plus cos a sin b था, correct? अगर b के जगह a डाले आप तो sin a cos a plus cos a sin a, that becomes sin 2a is 2 sin a into cos a. Fine. So can we write sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x? Fine. With the help of sin 2a formula. Next we have 1 plus cos 2a, and 1 plus cos 2a and 1 minus cos 2a. Regarding these two formula, I told you that this is oxygen, what we call. Always you have to remember in trigonometry, 1 plus cos 2x, which is 2 cos square x, and if it is 1 minus cos 2x, this is known as 2 sin square x. Correct? These are very important, these two results. Very important. Correct? So in place of 1 plus cos 2x, I will write 2 cos square x. So 2 get cancelled, cos and 1 cos. So left with sin by cos tan x. So this expression, which is sin 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x, is nothing but tan x. Correct? In this situation, it can be like, let's say sin 8x upon 1 plus cos 8x if it comes. Correct? So we have discussed in multiple angle that sin 8x becomes what? 2 sin 4x into cos 4x. Fine? What happens? 2 half हो जाता है, a और a में convert हो जाता है. So 8x becomes 4x and 4x, and 1 plus cos 2x becomes 2 cos square x. 2 यहाँ पे x हो जाती है, तो 8x यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? 4x. So this is 2 cos square 4x. 2 get cancelled, 1 cos cos. So left with tan 4x. ठीक है? तो ऐसे सारे सिचुएशन में you have to use sin 2a formula and 1 plus cos 2a formula. Correct? Suppose dear, in the same scenario, if it is given sine x by 4 upon 1 minus cos x by 4, correct? So what is going to be the expression? So sine x by 4 we can write 2 sine x by 8 cos x by 8. Always we do half, 2x का x हो जाता है. So x by 4 का half there, x by 8 and x by 8. And 1 minus cos x, all of you know 2 sine square x. So this becomes 2 sine square x by 8. Fine. 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2. So 2 sine square, this is x. So x by 2 is x by 4 का half क्या होगा dear? X by 8. 2 get cancel, 1 sine and 1 sine. So cos by sine left with cot x by 8. Fine. So expression sine x by 4 upon 1 minus cos x by 4 is equal to cot x by 8. So what is very important here, that you have to remember the formulas that I have discussed in that last video. Those formula, if you remember, and that formula is a mechanics. It's not, you cannot tell you, basic you remember. 1 plus cos 2a you remember, that is 2 cos square a. And then 1 minus cos, 1 plus cos 4x, 1 plus cos 8x, all result you can calculate. So that in video I told you the mechanics, how to formulas are created, correct? So that mechanics you have to understand. Basic you have to remember, sin a plus b, sin a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b. From these four, you can draw all the formulas what we have discussed in that video. So उस वीडियो को अच्छे से देखें, सारे रिजल्ट आप एक बार खुद से लिखने की कोशिश करें. देयर आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, सारे रिजल्ट आपकी मुट्ठी में होंगे. और ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में मेजर प्रॉब्लम स्टूडेंट को फॉर्मूला से होता है, बिकॉज ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के सब फॉर्मूला बेस्ड होते हैं. सो आई डोंट थिंक ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. उस मैकेनिक्स को समझिए, सारे रिजल्ट को एक बार अच्छे से क्लियर की खुद से लिखिए, इट बिकम्स वेरी सिंपल. नाउ we'll move to some other problem. We have if tan x is equals to 3 by 4, then sin 2x is. If tan x is 3 by 4, then what is going to be sin 2x? ठीक है? So there, all of you came to know that sin 2x formula in terms of tan, which is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. This is the sin 2x का formula in terms of tan. 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x होता है. ठीक है? That this I have discussed in that video again. So you have to remember these result. So now very simple. Tan x value is 3 by 4. We'll substitute 1 plus 9 by 16. See what will happen. 3 by 2 into 16 by 25, correct? 16, 9 and flip. So this is nothing but 24 by 25. So if you have tan x equals to 3 by 4, you can get sin 2x. Again, if you have to find cos 2x also. So cos 2x we know in terms of tan, which is 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Fine. Again, this is a formula of cos 2x in terms of tan. Fine. So now we'll substitute 1 minus tan x is 3 by 4. This is square upon 3 by 4 square. Now we'll simplify. This is 7 by 25. So when we have tan x equals to 3 by 4, we can get cos 2x, which is 7 by 25. Sin 2x 24 by 25. You can get tan x also. Tan 2x. Let's say tan 2x. So once you have sin 2x and cos 2x, you can divide, or you can use tan 2x formula. Tan 2x we know. What is that? 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Now you substitute the value of tan x here and you will get 24 by this. So 24 by 24 is 24 by 7 you will get. 24 by 7. Fine here? So, see if you know those results, sin 2x in terms of tan, cos 2x in terms of tan, and tan 2x in terms of tan. So such type of a problem you can do very easily. And this is the level that CDS used to ask. CDS इस तरह के क्वेश्चन जरूर पूछते हैं. So यहाँ पे आपको कॉन्फिडेंट रहना पड़ेगा डियर. करेक्ट? Fine. Now we will move to the next problem. If sin x equals to 1 by 3, then sin 3x. Correct? Sin x equals to 1 by 3, then sin 3x will be what? So we know sin 3x formula. Sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Correct? This is in terms of x. In terms of x. See, sin 3x, I told you, you can write this also, 2 sin 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2. But this result we use most of the time in calculus. So, we are not using this result here. Why we will not use? Because we have information sin x equals to 1 by 3. So, look at this sin x and sin x here. So, this result is useful. So what will happen here? Sin 3x is 3 sin x is 1 by 3 minus 4 sin x is 1 by 3 and this is whole cube. So 1 by 3 whole cube. Correct? Now I believe you know how to simplify. This is going to be this much and this is your answer. 23 by 27. Correct? Understood? Now suppose in this same question, cos 3x is they are asking. What is the cos 3x? So you know the formula of cos 3x. Cos 3x we know, I told you which way? 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x. कैसे याद रखना था? 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x. sin x है तो cos x यहाँ. 3 cos x. ठीक है? अब यार हमारे पास यहाँ sin x की वैल्यू है, cos x चाहिए अपने को, तो I can get cos x here. Cos x will be what? Root under 1 minus 1 by 9. Cos x is root under 1 minus sin square x. So this has become 2 root 2 by 3. 9 minus 1, 8. 80 upon 9 का root क्या हो गया? 2 root 2 by 3. Now we will substitute here. Cos x we came to know 2 root 2 by 3. 4 into 2 root 2 by 3 whole cube minus 2 root 2 by 3. ठीक है? Now we'll simplify this. So that is nothing but 4 into 8 into 2 root 2 by 3 and this is 2 root 2. So after simplifying this, somewhere it is 64 root 2 by 3. 64 root 2 minus 6 root 2 by 3, which is 58 root 2 by 3. This is the answer of cos 3x. ठीक है? So if sin x is given only, you can calculate sin 3x, cos 3x as well as tan 3x also. ठीक है? tan 3x कैसे निकल आएगा? या तो आप tan 3x का फॉर्मूला लगा दें, 3 tan x. अगर मैं tan 3x पूछूं आपसे, तो tan 3x का फॉर्मूला अपने को पता है. फाइन? tan 3x, we know 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. ठीक है? tan x चाहिए अपने को, sin by cos कर लेंगे, that is going to be tan x. So tan x अपने को यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा इस क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग? This upon this. So this is nothing but 1 upon 2 root 2 and this value will substitute here. So we will get tan 3x. Fine here? So see these formula how it is important. So if you remember sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, so you will be able to solve these problems. Correct dear? So now we will move to some more situation. See, if cos x is equal to 3 by 4, then sin x by 2 is. Cos x 3 by 4 दी हुई है, then we have to calculate the value of sin x by 2, correct? So this sum came in CDS 2017 or 16 somewhere. This is very tricky one. कुछ बच्चों को ये सम नहीं समझ में आता है, तो कैसे करना है डियर? अपने को फॉर्मूला पता है, 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स इज 2 साइन स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2. ये क्यों आपने सोचा? बिकॉज ये जो साइन एक्स बाई 2 आप सोचेंगे, ये किस रिजल्ट में अपीयर होता है, स्क्वायर में या क्यूब में या साइन एक्स बाई 2 में. तो हमने रियलाइज किया कि 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स इज 2 साइन स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2, करेक्ट? तो जब ये साइन स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2 आ गया, दैट मीन्स साइन एक्स बाई 2 इज पॉसिबल टू गेट. सो हियर what we can write about sin x by 2? First I will send 2 here, 1 minus cos x upon 2, this 2 will here, and square, it make it square root. So sin x by 2, from this result it came 1 minus cos x by 2, and we have value of cos x. Now we will substitute. So root 1 minus cos x is 3 by 4 upon 2. So what will happen? 4 3 1 1 by 8, which is 1 by 2 root 2. Fine. So you have cos x, which is 3 by 4, sin x by 2 came 1 by 2 root 2. In the same problem, if they ask you cos x by 2, if cos x is 3 by 4, then cos x by 2 we are looking. So which formula we will use? 1 plus cos x, which is 2 cos square x by 2. अगेन ऑक्सीजन, x से तो यहाँ हाफ हो जाएगा, ये भी ऑक्सीजन था. 1 माइनस कॉस, ऑक्सीजन मैंने बोला था 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स और 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स दोनों के फॉर्मूले को मैंने ऑक्सीजन नाम दे रखा है, ठीक है? दिस इज वेरी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर्मूला. सो 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स इज 2 कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2. सो व्हाट अबाउट कॉस एक्स बाई 2 डियर? दिस इज नथिंग बट 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स अपॉन 2. नाउ यू हैव कॉस एक्स इज 3 by 4. So substitute here by 2, and this is nothing but root 7 by 8, or you can write root 7 by 2 root 2. Fine. You can get tan x by 2 also. How? tan x by 2 कैसे मिल जाएगा अपने को? या तो sin by cos कर दें, या फिर tan x by 2 cos x दी हुई है तब करना है. तो ये रिजल्ट यूज करेंगे, 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स अपॉन 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स. रूट डाला हमने, तो देखिए 2 साइन स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2 अपॉन 2 कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2, 2 गेट कैंसिल, साइन स्क्वायर बाई कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2, tan x बाई 2. कॉस एक्स की वैल्यू डाल देंगे यहाँ पे. सो यू हैव 1 माइनस 3 बाई 4 एंड 1 प्लस 3 बाई 4, ठीक है? सो दिस इज नथिंग बट 1 बाई रूट 7. सो ओनली दिस इंफॉर्मेशन वी हैव, and then sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2 you can calculate with the help of these formulas, ठीक है? So these results are very important to remember. तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के अंदर जो प्रॉब्लम थोड़े ट्रिकी होते हैं, वहाँ पे ये कुछ मल्टीपल एंगल, कंपाउंड एंगल के फॉर्मूलाज आपके अच्छे से याद होने चाहिए, ठीक है? 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2, 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. ठीक है? That is oxygen. Now dear, we'll move to another situation. Fine. So all of you are enjoying trigonometry. It's very simple there. थोड़े फॉर्मूला को आप रिकैप करें, then trigonometry may become a master. It's very simple here. Fine. Now we'll move to some more situation. Cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree upon cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree. Options are tan 9, tan 18, tan 36, tan 54. These are options, correct? Now that expression where it will reach, that is our demand. So इस तरह के प्रॉब्लम के अंदर डियर हमें थोड़ा ध्यान रखना होगा कि ये प्लस और माइनस है, तो हमारे पास एक रिजल्ट है tan का. tan रिजल्ट इज, एंड tan ऑप्शन में भी है, तो tan स्ट्राइक करना चाहिए आपको. tan वी नो x प्लस वाई, ठीक है, tan x प्लस वाई इज tan x प्लस tan y अपॉन 1 माइनस tan x tan y, करेक्ट. दिस फॉर्मूला वी नो tan x प्लस वाई. सी प्लस है यहाँ, माइनस है यहाँ, ठीक है. तो tan x प्लस में ये प्लस और ये माइनस दिख रही है, बट ये व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ 1 है. एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट क्या है, 1 है. तो tan के रिजल्ट, कोई भी tan के रिजल्ट में डिनोमिनेटर का लेफ्ट जो है ऑलवेज इट इज 1. तो मुझे 1 यहाँ पे बनाना है, तो कैसे बनेगा, cos 9 डिग्री से मैं डिवाइड करूंगा डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर दोनों को. तो cos 9 डिग्री प्लस sin 9 डिग्री डिवाइड बाई cos 9 डिग्री, cos 9 डिग्री minus sin 9 degree divided by cos 9 degree. Why we did this? To get 1 here. So when you divide, what will happen? 1 plus, this get cancelled, sin by cos, tan 9, and this is 1 minus tan 9 degree. Fine. You know 1 is tan 45. Tan 45, can we write tan 45 is 1 plus tan 9 upon tan 45 for 1 minus tan 45 into tan 9. See why I have kept it tan 45 here. Tan 45 is 1. 1 into tan 9 is this. But while keeping this tan 45, we met with formula. Tan x plus tan y upon, sorry, this you write 1 only. 1. No need to write tan 45. 1 minus tan a into tan b. And this gives you tan x plus y. So x plus y. So this is tan 45 plus 9, and this is nothing but tan 54. So tan 54 is the correct option. Understood? So इस तरह के सिचुएशन में cos हो या sin हो, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में हो, तो आप tan के फॉर्मूला को रिवॉल्व करें. अगर यहाँ माइनस होता है, यहाँ प्लस होता है, तो भी आप tan का ही फॉर्मूला लेते हैं. वहाँ पे tan माइनस में ये माइनस और ये प्लस हो जाता है. अगर ये सेम प्रॉब्लम में इफ यू हैव माइनस हियर एंड प्लस हियर, ठीक है, तो ये माइनस वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं आप, करेक्ट, ये माइनस वाला, एंड देन वी कैन प्रोसीड. ठीक है, अगर इस तरह का प्रॉब्लम होता तो ये माइनस यहाँ माइनस ये प्लस ऐसे चले जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये ऑल्टरनेट साइन से आप केयरफुल रहेंगे, उसके अकॉर्डिंग tan का फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट सिचुएशन देखते हैं डियर हम. लुक एट दिस. tan theta if is 5/6, tan phi is 1/11, then what is theta plus phi? एंगल होगा ये. थीटा प्लस फाई दो एंगल का सम चाहिए अपने को, करेक्ट. थीटा प्लस फाई what it is going to be, and answer is in terms of an angle. Tan theta is 5/6, tan phi is 1/11. So theta plus phi है, तो why not we can use tan of theta plus phi. ठीक है, क्योंकि tan theta और tan phi के इंफॉर्मेशन दिए हुए हैं, तो हमने tan theta plus phi फॉर्मूला यूज किया, which is tan theta plus tan phi upon 1 minus tan theta into tan phi. Can we write? This is a formula. Now we'll substitute the value. 5/6, 1/11, 1 minus 5/66 इंटू कर दिया दोनों वैल्यू. सिंप्लीफाई कर ले. 66, 55 plus 6, this is 61/66. So what left? 1. So tan theta plus phi came 1, and 1 is written as tan 45 degree. So what will happen? Tan get cancelled. So theta plus phi is 45 degree or pi by 4. Fine. So if you have tan theta and tan phi, you can get the value of theta plus phi, which came 45 degree with the help of tan theta plus phi. Suppose in the same sum, if we have to calculate theta minus phi, then also we'll use theta minus phi here. Minus plus, formula change value, then you see what it is going to come. So theta plus phi or theta minus phi also you can calculate with the help of this formula. Tan theta plus phi, tan theta plus tan phi upon 1 minus tan theta into tan phi. So again the formula is important here. Now we'll see the next situation. Suppose we have tan x equals to m upon m plus 1. Tan y is 1 upon 2m plus 1. Then x plus y we are looking. Same situation. We'll use the tan x plus tan y formula. I believe you can do it this sum. What we'll do? Tan x plus y, we have tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. Fine? We'll substitute the value m upon m plus 1 plus 1 upon 2m plus 1, 1 minus m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. Fine? Tan x into tan y, this into this. Now, while simplifying, what you will have? M into 2m plus m minus plus this into this. So LCM it came. Now this 2m plus m and this will go here plus m plus 1 upon here m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 minus m. So while simplifying this, what will happen? 2m squared plus m plus 1 upon 2m squared plus 3m minus m plus 2m and plus 1. Both get cancelled, it came 1. So tan x plus y equals to tan, for 1 what we can write? Tan 45. So x plus y, it came pi by 4 or 45 degree. So the answer is 45 degree or pi by 4. Fine? The same like in previous sum what we did. So in this sum, what you have to be careful while calculation is very important, that taking LCM, simplifying. So that is why this sum it came in CDS also there. So आपका calculation बराबर होना चाहिए, फॉर्मूला बराबर आप लगाएं. x plus y पूछा है तो tan x plus y यूज करें, करेक्ट. अगर x minus y पूछा होता तो tan of x minus y यूज करते. Clear? So now we'll move to the second segment of this compound and multiple angle.